Welcome to Millet Table. For more recipes, you can log on to our website millettable.com. Today I am going to make Aval Venpongal using Kudravali Aval. So take 1 cup of poha, then put it in a sieve and wash it under running water. Drain the excess water and keep aside. So now I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera and a pinch of Asafoetida, some curry leaves. Now I am adding 1 1/4 cup of water. And this is half a cup of moong dal which was slightly roasted, soaked and cooked. Then I mashed it and now it is ready. So I am adding half a cup. Mix everything well and let it come to a boil on low heat. Meanwhile, I will wash the poha. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of salt, so when the dal mixture starts boiling, add the washed and drained poha. Mix everything on a low heat and cook for just 2 minutes. If you want, you can add 1/4 cup of milk, which will give an excellent taste to pongal. So now it is ready. I am switching off the heat. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and some roasted cashew nuts. It will thicken further on cooling. So our millet Aval Venpongal is ready.